In this video, I'm going to teach you how to import upload lists to SurveyMonkey. In order to do that, you first need to head over to their website, which is surveymonkey.com. From in there, you can proceed to click on this Get Started Free option in order to actually create an account. You can also just utilize the Sign Up Free option if you would want. So on this case, make sure to click any one of these two. So if you already have an account like I did, just head over and click on this login. Now here is my actual homepage on SurveyMonkey. Now, first thing you need to do is make sure to prepare your contact list. You can utilize spreadsheet programs like Excel, Google Sheets, or Numbers, with columns such as the contact information, email, first name, last name, and any other data. Now, onto your SurveyMonkey option, just head over and click onto this username option or profile picture. And then from in there, you can see in here the contacts option. Make sure to click on that. Now into this part, it should be able to show you in here this. So with this, you can import multiple contacts. You can choose in here a CSV file. You can also add from Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, Office 365, or manual. So for this case, if you have a CSV file, just head over and choose in here this one. Click on this choose file. And then after that, just locate in here the file that you wish to add. Let's add this and click on open. Click on this add contacts. And this will load for a moment in order to utilize or add in here the contacts that you want. Now from in there, you can just proceed to actually click on this add contacts and import multiple contacts option in order to actually import that altogether into your SurveyMonkey. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.